Good morning students. Today about discuss structural steel fastener and connection. So the first one is connection, bolted connection. What do you mean by bolted connection? So bolted means it may be defined as metal pin with one end fixed and other end free for the knot support is known as the bolted connection. So the bolted connection had one end shank and threaded at the other end to be received a knot. So the one is with diagram in one is this one is shank and this one is head and threaded portion colored portion is just the threaded portion. So the bolted connection definition is the bolted may be defined as metal pin with a threaded at one end, a shank threaded at the other end to receive a knot. So the steel washer. So the connection of steel washer bolted connection is provided under as well as under the knot because two looses. So the two looses point of the steel washer point. So the first one looses point is the distribute the clamping pressure on the bolted member. So the first one is distribute clamping pressure on the bolted member, and the second one is to prevent the threaded portion of the bolt from bearing on the connecting piece. First one is plate element with the another portion with the plate element is connected for bearing piece. So is prevent to threaded portion. So the first and second point is steel washer distribution point. So the bolted connection definition. So the next one is classification of bolt. So the what do you mean by classification? Classification is are of different types. What I am described about unfinished bolt and high strength bolt. First one is unfinished bolt and second one is high strength bolt. So these are several types of bolt used of the connecting structure. Different types and different ways of connection steel plate. Both the first one is unfinished bolt and second one is high strength bolt. So the first one is unfinished bolt. First one is unfinished bolt. The unfinished bolt are so called as the ordinary, black, commonly rock, etc. In the different types, etc. and different types of in unfinished bolt. These are used for light structure subject to static load and the secondary members such as purlins, bracings, roofs, trusses, slab, etc. So the different types and different ways unfinished bolt, commonly black and rock, the loaded of static load and is not on static load, only of static load carry about the secondary member of purlins, bracing and roof trusses, etc. So the next point is the bolts are not used for the connection subjected to impact load and vibration load. Impact load and vibration load, example of wind, vibration, rain and snowfall due to the snowfall is known as the vibration or impact load. Each combination of bolt not use of the connection. So the next point is bolts are available from diameter. The bolts diameter is one part to another part is 5 to 36 mm diameter and designated from grade of concrete in M5 grade concrete to M30 concrete. M means mix of concrete and 5 means grade or number of concrete. So the M15 or M5 to M30, so the unfinished bolts concrete are used. So the next one is high strength bolt. High strength means bolt means these are made from in brass of medium carbon heat threaded steel form of along of the steel. These are made is bar. If not a steel element is made from bar element. So these bolts save high tensile stresses 2 more time ordinary bolts. 2 more time. Both are one time double timing more. Ordinary bolt is uses of the tensile stresses, not is compression stresses. So the next point is steel washers of hard steel are provided equally distributed clamping pressure. But one press is the one load carrying about and exposed or distribute in another direction. So the clamping pressure on the bolted member are prevent to the threaded portion. In this bolt diameter varies from 16 mm to 36 mm, but diameter high strength bolt diameter is 16 mm to 36 mm, but high strength or unfinished bolt is connection of 5 to 36 mm. So the next one in this bolt diameter is 16 to 36 mm. So the advantages of high strength connection. So the advantages of high strength connection, if bolts provided rigid joint. Rigid joint means both are one to one piece and another piece, only one joint is known as the rigid joint. Rigid joint, that is no slip between the element connected. The bolts provided rigid joint is no slip between the element connected. Only one of tensile strength is high, which provided more clamping pressure on the element be connected. So the tensile strength is high, which provided more clamping pressure on the element be connected. So the next one is there is no stress. There is no stress concentration in the hole. There is only of constant concentration. There is no stress concentration. Stress means force per unit area. Force per unit area. Stress definition is force per unit area. So the next one is the tension is the bolt is uniform also. The tension in the bolt can be increased up to proof load, which prevent the knot from losing. The tension is bolt from uniform also tension, only not compression bolt. Only high strength, total high strength is compatible or depends upon tension. Tension is bolt uniform the tension force. So the high strength bolt diameter is 16 to 36 mm, but unfinished bolt diameter is 5 to 36 mm. So the high strength is tension stresses, but no stresses is only of static load or secondary members such as purlin, bracing, etc.